Hey guys, I'm Andrew Wagner from NewsBTC. We're still here at the World Blockchain Forum. Things are winding down before the party, but we got one more interview. I'm here with Slavena from Crowdwiz. They're a platform helping people raise funds for their projects. How did you get involved with this? What made you guys got interested in doing this kind of project?
Okay, well, I was a part of a company called CryptoTalk software for a few years now. It's a fintech technology company. We've been building investment and trading software, centralized ones, for years. And recently, a little over a year ago, we started getting more and more involved into the crypto space. This is how we came up with the idea of Crowdwiz, because we saw the need for that. What Crowdwiz essentially is, it's a self-governed investment ecosystem. It starts as a technology, as a platform for communities to create their crowdsourced and crowd-managed crypto funds.
Great, so you're a platform on which people can launch funds and raise money, but you had an interesting term for it. What was it?
An interesting term for it?
IFO?
IFO, yes. This is the process of launching a new fund on our platform, initial fund offering. In short, we're going to call it an IFO. Our token, it's called the WIZ token. We want our token to be to an IFO what Ethereum is now to an ICO. So an IFO will be similar to an ICO in a way, but with our technology we want to simplify the process, to streamline it, and to allow people to do it with low budget. We'll give them exposure to potential investors, to do it in a few simple steps, really, even if they don't have technical knowledge, to use our user-friendly interface to set up a fund literally in minutes, possibly.
So what blockchain are you guys using? Or are you creating your own?
For now, we're settled on the Ethereum blockchain, but we're exploring other blockchain options as well.
Ethereum is a good starting choice. Exchanges like ERC20. Let's talk about funds a bit more. What kinds of things can you raise funds for? Non-profit stuff, companies, any kind of thing?
Literally any kind of thing. We want to create a technology that's very flexible, that will allow, it has different use cases. It will allow people to do it in a different way. It could be a for-profit fund. It will be a fund that raises money for projects that benefit certain societies. It could be a fund that invests in crypto assets, or but there's lots and lots of use cases, really.
Cool. And these funds, well, when we do an ICO, the end result is that there's a coin that can trade independently of Ethereum. Is that the same case here? After we do an IFO, does that create a coin that can be listed in places?
Yes, exactly. Every new fund issues their own token on top of the WIZ token. But now that you're speaking about it, another thing, a part of our ecosystem is the WIZ exchange. We're launching our own exchange where all native ecosystem tokens will be automatically listed and traded, and this way we guarantee liquidity to every new fund that is created on Crowdwiz.
Okay, back to the nitty-gritty questions that investors want to know. What gives this coin value? Is it needed to use the network, or why can I expect to get a return on my investment if I buy some WIZ tokens?
Well, the more funds are created, the more demand for the WIZ token, because you need the WIZ token to create a fund. Then the more users we generate, because each new fund also attracts new users, the higher demand for the WIZ token. Also, it gives the WIZ token essentially is a token that gives you voting rights in the ecosystem, because the whole concept of our idea is that there is no fund managers. People can create funds with no fund managers, and all decisions, all capital decisions are made collectively by the community.
That sounds great. A lot of people like that.
Yeah, I absolutely. The feedback we're getting is great. And another important thing is that we're effectively eliminating any middlemen, brokers, agents, fund managers, underwriters, because we believe that the crowd wisdom, the community can collectively reach better decisions and make better predictions than a single individual, even if he's an expert.
Very interesting. Yeah, it's a cool idea. So, summarize to say, the more people who are issuing funds on your platform, the more valuable Wiz should be. And do we also need Wiz to invest in funds, or just to put a fund on the platform?
You also need Wiz to invest in funds.
Okay.
So Wiz token will be traded to to the native
So we'd have to go in your exchange, turn our BTC to Wiz,
exactly.
put the Wiz in.
Yeah.
So that's what gives it value. That makes sense. More users, more value. That's cool.
Also, the better performance of the fund, so the higher the value of the Wiz token as well.
True that. Any final thoughts that you'd like to tell our listeners, viewers?
Well, I would maybe like to share the token sale dates, if you don't mind.
Oh, go for it.
Okay, we'll have a public pre-sale for 72 hours on the 10th of October. An official token sale starts on 18th of October. Our hard cap is $20 million to complete the ecosystem. We already have lots of the pieces done, and we'll launch our closed beta in January next year, and we'll follow with public beta and platform launch.
Sounds great. Well, best of luck from NewsBTC.
Thank you very much.